Hi, this is Bob Wetterman from BEST, part 2 of pull force testing on wire harness and cable assemblies. So let's keep going on the pull force testing. When we're doing pull force testing, what we're trying to determine is the mechanical strength of that crimp wire interface. And we're using an instrument like this that automates and controls that particular process. And there's a variety of different methodologies we can use. We can use pull to break. That's the force at which that interface breaks. Pull and return, we're going to apply a certain force and then return back to the steady state condition. Pull and hold, where we're pulling on the crimp and then waiting a certain period of time. Or combining all those, pull, hold, and then break. So we're going to have to define all those things, the methodology by which we're going to test the lateral force. And in terms of the various things that we're going to have to record, we're going to have to record things like the pull force, the pull rate, the hold time, and the pull method version, which we just talked about. So pull force testing is done, again, for class 1 and 2 product if we haven't defined what the requirements are based on the crimp height, and it is a requirement for class 3. So on further review of the IPC A620 and pull force testing requirements, please see the standard. This has been Bob Wetterman from BEST.